All right. So Valentine's Day is all about giving, or is it? Well, women are often the ones showered with all the gifts and the grand gestures. Men are usually left out of the Valentine's Day spotlight. Well, today, fitness instructor and content creator Chazz Francis is joining the conversation as we ask the big question. Is it time men finally got some Valentine's Day love too? Chazz, will you sir? You agreed?
We just ask a question, eh?
I'm with you on that one. Why would you just ask a question?
Okay. I mean, all right, so these days are usually days where women are expected to get showered with gifts. But I thought it was a celebration of love.
True. And love is one way.
Yeah, love is a two-way street. So, of course, a full time.
So when you say full time, do you believe that in the past that wasn't the case, that men were also receiving gifts?
No. Valentine's Day is not marketed to men. Roses and chocolates. We might joke around and say, oh, we want roses and chocolate too. You want to shame me, man? Just pop up and please with some roses.
So you wouldn't accept flowers from me?
I would accept it, but it's not what a man wants.
Okay.
So just say
not take it.
And I thought it was cute because I was saying I would give my man flowers.
All right, so this is another thing. As I stated before, Valentine's Day has been marketed to women. So ladies, whatever you think you would want for Valentine's Day,
it's not what
take
you
it,
want.
crush it up and throw it in the garbage. It's not what we want.
Well, Chazz, I want to interject here and say that I have been watching these, what they call red pill podcasting, red pill, right? And apparently they keep telling us that they want their flowers too.
It's
so
a
are
metaphor.
You saying the
It's
man them has said them don't want flowers?
No, when we say we want our flowers too, it's a metaphor.
No,
we don't want actual flowers.
So what would you say then is a good gift for the ladies watching that thought? Because I was like about to send flowers. Cologne.
But
what would you say is a good gift nowadays, or a list of gifts to send to the man them now from the ladies?
All right, so ladies, you hear the front end oracle.
Lord Jesus.
Instead of go buy flowers.
Chazz, stop it. We don't even know what the front end is, Chazz.
If it were oracle, we couldn't tell.
We wouldn't even know exactly.
Well, you're in the car. It might drop you off at work, right?
We don't know, Chazz.
I hear the bogo. Yeah, man. You see the tires, them looking smooth? Yeah, man, we accept 2 front tires for Valentine's Day.
Chazz, that is not fair.
What?
I don't even know when my tires want change, much less Chazz.
Well, hear what? Just cologne, tires. Football boots, basketball shoes, gym wear. Look, I come straight off our construction side. Look, him work boot, mash up, man.
You know what?
So you know what you're telling me then, that you guys want practical.
Yes,
if I can't use it right now, then what's the point?
Yeah. Can I?
So you know, like sentimental stuff. We don't want it to look, but I don't want it to be for light alongside her.
Okay. All right. Stop right
when I'm not there.
Deidrean, okay, Chazz, you are married.
Yes, ma'am.
What is on the list for you, for your wife to get you? What are you accepting from your wife this Valentine?
Everything when we just stay.
Tire, boots,
front end.
Yeah, man. Any one of them, though. Anyone. Men don't need a lot, you know. Let me tell you something. If you buy a man 2 front tire, right? Not even 4, you know. Just a 2 front tire, them will go down. You see, 3 years from now, when they need to change again, Stacey did buy me them,
yeah.
We're very appreciative. So just keep it practical.
So you said Valentine's is marketed towards women. If it is, shouldn't then there be some conversation about changing the marketing then, if men also want to be gifted on Valentine's Day? Do you not think that maybe we need to look at leveling the playing field where that is concerned, if the men actually do want something? Because you see in Jamaica, all I hear the man them say, oh, a pagan holiday, a man don't want a Valentine's on them someday.
Look here, you see, because the man them under pressure, then just make up some excuse, nothing. But I think Christmas just gone, you know? Christmas just gone. You get me?
So, Chazz,
I might never birthday dropping in the ground.
Pressure, you know, January long, you know, 98 days in a January, you know, so you know, say, okay, would you say big gesture for the man them? Because I know as women, I think women prefer thoughtful big gestures. Look, if that makes sense.
What I have observed is Valentine's is a spectator sport for women.
Facts.
Yeah, man. So I tell the men all the while, you see, if you can't afford the big lavish thing to send her workplace, no send her none. Yeah, man, give her at home. Yeah, man, give her at home.
That is true.
Yeah, like, you don't want her to feel small when everybody else getting 30 roses and you're going to send 2.
2.
You
No,
get
but
me?
That counts.
It's not, you know, Adrian.
You keep saying that. You've been saying that all day. You're not a thought that
I
counts,
am
girl.
not a thought that counts
You see, you
person.
cost man pocket.
I give man too. I give big. I expect big. I'm
All right,
the kind of person,
and look here.
I am
and-
gonna
and-
buy you something
and
that
that's
you
and
go,
that's fine.
yo.
And that's fine.
No.
But I'm saying for women, it's a spectator sport.
Okay.
Is how much attention did my gift
over.
draw while it was coming into the office?
True.
Because I know my partner and I, we have been arguing for a couple of years about this Christmas gift that he bought me. Because I was like, that is not for me. That was a generic thing that you just say. And he's like, no, but you know, man. And I'm like, Reda. And to this day, we argue about that present.
I'm gonna throw some gift ideas at you.
All right, let's
All right.
go.
This is something that I think I would give, and I'm thinking it would be appreciated. But
All right.
you're married. You tell me.
Yeah, I'm going to strike them down hard if I fall.
Whoa. All right. Me I tell you.
Let's go.
Okay, not necessarily a metrosexual, but you take care of yourself. Your hair is nicely lined up and all of that. So I could give you like a nice day to get all groomed up. Get your hair done. Probably
you saying
get
a spa treatment?
Manicure, maybe a spa day or something for the guy? No?
Not for me.
Why?
Not for me. I think.
Remember, you talk for all men,
but
you
look
know.
here now, you work hard, construction, so your foot them are going to rub.
I mean, no, man. It boot rub them. It boot. That one would not be for me.
Okay. But you think there are men out there that would like that?
You have men out there that would like.
Okay.
It's
One
not-
next idea. Go on. Show it game.
Boy, that was my top. That was aiming high with that one.
You see, the problem is romance. A woman's idea of romance is what she would want.
It's true.
Yes, that's why you doll me up.
All right, I'll give you next one. I saw Megan Thee Stallion do this for Clay. It was his birthday. Check it.
Yes.
On the beach, she set up a whole brunch type thing,
Picnic type of vibe.
type thing for him. He's looking at me crazy.
You don't like that?
That's what you would like.
Really?
Like if my lady does that, I'm gonna appreciate it. But think about it. How many men out there just dying for a rose petal picnic?
But here's the thing. There was a time that you guys used to buy us iron. And buy us a ironing board and say a washing machine here. And we're like, brother, we
No,
don't
I'll
want
take
that.
the washing machine.
We want,
I'll
but you know, that's for obvious reasons. Chazz, I don't know how I feel about this. One quick question.
Yes. go
Finish
ahead.
a sentence for me. A man's Valentine's Day would be perfect if.
Peace.
Wow, but you want that for birthday and Christmas and Father's Day.
On that note,
No. When we say peace, what want to think?
Out of the house and out on the ears.
no, it means peace.
No, man. That's a man.
Remember, it's Valentine's Day for
peace.
two of us. It's for us and it's for
No,
you.
That's for us.
Chazz, thank you so much. Adrian, you know what? Fitness instructor and content creator,
I think Chazz my best shot.
Francis in the house, and he spoke for all you men. So when you're all getting
Front tire, they'll
front
thank
end,
me.
two tire, one
Football
boot,
boots,
I want
work
you to know
shoes,
that Chazz
basketball.
said
Yeah,
the same.
man.
Alone.
Thank you so much for joining us, sir. Quickly, how can we find you on social media?
Chazz515.vf.
All right, then I'll come argue with you in a circle. Remember, see you talk
Regular.
Jamaica.
Give
Regular.
Chazz my best.
All right, that's
Regular.
all the
And
time
it was not good enough.
we have.